Okay, so here's um, some more progress on the engine here. This time, although I've got a bug here that I haven't been able to figure out, and I think I'm too tired to figure it out right now. But anyway, it's the basic idea is working. I got the spell effects working in the map mode here. So there's you cast heal there, and voila, you get an effect. Isn't that cool? And I could even do mass heal here if I hire some more guys. Hire full party here. And then we're going to cast mass heal. And it should happen to everybody, although it's not happening. Something's wrong with the spell power. I'm not sure why it's different on the ninja. And if I go in here, I'm going to buy some healing potions. And then I'm going to use those. First of all, I'm going to sort there. Use on who. And for some reason the number pops up on the ninja and I can't figure out why. Healed 1.6 health popped up on the ninja. I can't figure out for the life of me why that is right now, but I'm sure it's something easy. I'm just too tired to figure it out. But anyway, you might, I don't know if you like that healing effect. I really love that healing effect. I think that's pretty awesome. But that's a particle effect, and then I'm doing something with the is it the shader? Hold on a minute. Let me find out. I believe it is it's the unit material, and I'm doing something with the shader here. Hold on. I have it somewhere. Materials? Sliders? No. I don't know where I put it. Oh, shaders. There it is. Yeah, I made my own shader. And the default shader, let me see here. Well, it's probably on there right now, right? Yeah, okay, the default shader, you could just tint it, right? But what I wanted to do was I wanted to do this. It's kind of like an old school effect here. Let's see, the flash material, there it is. Okay, yeah, I wanted to do this. And it's not working. Oh, I know why it's not working. There you go. So instead of just tinting the sprite, which doesn't really do too much, you know, it kind of depends on like how bright the sprite is. But I wanted to just change the whole color, you know, and just you know, do like this kind of effect. I don't know if you remember the like the Super Nintendo. You could do this on the Super Nintendo's sprites. You could overlay it with like a layer or something like that. Anyway, I kind of wanted to do this. So anyway, I ended up having to kind of hack together my own shader. It's not a very well documented process for Unity. I think you already have to know what you're doing with shaders to really understand it. But anyway, I managed to do it. And anyway, so that's how I got that nice little flashing effect there on the sprite. Oops, no, never mind. I think it's pretty nice. So I'm going to use that effect a lot. I think I'm going to do it when like somebody gets damaged and stuff like that. Here it is again. Actually, this isn't quite done. This spell effect isn't quite done, but you see there it did make the entire sprite you know, flash a color. But yeah, that spell's done. Oh yeah, and I also got to use a nice little particle effect. So the particle effect is where did I put that thing? Is it in materials? Particle system. Oh, there it is. Yeah, here it is right here. And let's put this, let's see, first of all, we have the sorting layer GUI. I'm not sure where we should be able to see it. But it could be I need to, this probably be easier to do this when I'm not running the game there. Oh, there it is. Okay. I should be able to see it over here. Let's just play. Can we just play and get it to work, or do I have to? Oh, do I have to turn on to make it looping? I guess I'll make it looping. We'll make it looping. Okay, there you are. And let's turn on the unit graphics too, so you can kind of see what that looks like there. And something's wrong. I still can't see it. I don't know why. So many mysteries here. This is on. This says it's running. Hold on, let me turn off that graphic. Maybe the graphic's in the way. Graphics in the way. Alright, as strange as that may seem. Okay, so I'm going to actually move this up to the map or the combat layer. There you go. Alright, now I can see it. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I like the particle system in Unity. I really do. You can do a lot. You can do a lot. The particle system in like Cocos 2D was also pretty good, but particle system in Unity is even better, especially because you got this editor where you can see what you're doing. In Cocos 2D, you had to use a separate like editor and then copy over the values where you could actually like see what you were doing. And even then, you had to kind of just trial and error a lot of it. Was it Sprite Kit? I think it was Apple's Sprite Kit. I started using that first before Cocos 2D, and they had their own particle system like in Xcode editor where you could visually see it. That was nice, but still I say Unity's is the best I've used so far. It's really nice, and I'm not even really using much here to do this. I'm just having like it's a short burst emission with some like randomized positioning. They don't move much, they just kind of randomly spawn around here. Very short life. They have a little bit of a rotation to them. Just, you know, a little bit of a random rotation, and then also the colors are kind of, you know, mucked with a little bit, but it looks pretty nice. It gets the effect done, especially with the unit flashing. And so that's it. That's the heal spell, and got a lot more spells to actually do. And not a lot of time to do it, but you know, it is going to be fun. I do like making like special effects. It's really fun. But all right, okay. So this is where I am so far, and I'll keep posting updates every so often.